morning, guys. It's another late start today. I'm about to get my workout in, but I'm finna spruce up this stuff under the car porch. It pisses me off how we just have stuff just right here on this table. Like, this is my absolute, like, it pisses me off so bad. But what I really want is like this little, it's this little metal thing at Sam's that they have. It's like a metal cabinet, I should say. And basically, I would love to have that, and I'm contemplating on getting it. Thing is, I don't know if I'm gonna get it before or after Christmas. But yeah, this drives me nuts, cause like leaves get right here and get stuck and all that stuff. Yeah, so I probably soon will be getting that metal storage cabinet, and I'll show you guys. It's actually Happy Vlogmas Day 16. So I'm about to go ahead and get this blower out and blow some of these leaves off before I work out. It just agitates me when I see stuff like this, and I just can't just, when I know it's there, I can't just not do something. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this and blow all this off, and I'll be back. Hey guys, I want to come and show you something real quick. I just got out the shower, and I just want to share my beauty secret with you guys. Something I've been using. It's actually a household item, very affordable. You can use it to clean with, brush your teeth with it, exfoliate your face. You can soak in this, and you guessed it yet? Y'all, if y'all don't listen to anything else that I say, pick you up a box of this. So I did exfoliate my face with it because I had a couple of bumps that had like a rise to them, and when I exfoliate my face with it, it's like it just smooths that out. So yeah, I just want to come and give y'all this quick tip. I got this tip from my mom. She was telling me like she would bath the kids and it cuts odors, and I was like, you could use that, you know, to bath with. And so happened I started soaking in it, and it felt so good using this and the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap together. And one day when I was soaking in it, I made a mistake and flipped the box over, and all the things that you seen your grandparents or parents do, it's on the back of the box. So like cleaning with it, I use it to clean with. It's a great deodorizer. We know that for the refrigerator and all that kind of stuff, dishwasher, all that stuff. And also, one thing I found out was about the hair and exfoliating your face. That is what I found out from the back of the box. So the next time you guys are at the store, pick you up a box of this. For this big box at Walmart, I think it's like $2 and something. And of course, like the smaller ones are like 50 cents that you just throw in the refrigerator. So I want to come and share this beauty secret with y'all. So don't tell nobody else, because they'll buy it all out. But yeah, y'all go pick this up, and that Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap with that, and like some Epsom salt. Oh my gosh, it makes for an amazing soak. If you like to relax and soak in the tub before you take your shower, pick those items up, okay? All right, guys, we are on the road again, going back. Same area where I go for Sam's. It's about 30 minutes away. Going to CVS today. CVS, and I'm going to try to stop by Books A Million to see if they have that collection that my son wants. Y'all, I'm so ready for Christmas. Like, I feel more accomplished every time I get something, but I'm just over it. Y'all know how long I've been looking at cooking stoves. We finally ordered that. I ordered it off the Step 2 website. That particular company is known for like, I guess like your learning household things, I guess you could say. But yeah, so we ordered that. That will be here hopefully next week. I looked up the jerseys. Number one, the jerseys were too high, and when I got over them being so high, they didn't have a size. Like all the jerseys were like, I want to say like $80 for jerseys. And all the small, they were out of smalls. The only thing they had was like 2X's in all the jerseys. So, and don't mind my hair, I just threw this wig on. I didn't even brush her or nothing, just to have something on my head. My nephew's birthday is today. Happy birthday, Sammy. But this one will be after today's the 15th, but this will be on Vlogmas Day 16. He supports this channel. So yeah, today's his birthday. We went over just to wish him a happy birthday, and the kids wanted to stay, so I'm gonna let them stay there while I run over here and just run on back. So yeah, I'm tempted to go to Sam's since I'm out of baking soda, but I'm not gonna do it because I'll get in there and spend money I don't need to spend. So the two places we need to visit today is CVS to go pick up my prescription because it's free when I go to CVS with my job. And I don't know why I don't have the mail in. I don't know why I don't have the mail, but I don't. But and then I'm gonna go to Books A Million. So 30 minutes there and then 30 minutes back. I wish I had a good old snack while I was riding in this car. But alright guys, toodaloo. Alright y'all, so I went to pick up my prescription and also stopped at Books A Million. And y'all, that collection he wants, I don't know if he wants the whole like collection, like with all the volumes, because each one say collection. So it'll say collection volume 1, collection volume 2, so on and so forth. But each collection is $30 a piece. Yes, $30 a piece. So I may get him volume 1, and then like I guess he could accumulate them or whatever, like when he gets his extra money or whatever, he could buy them himself. So I'm about to head. I think we're gonna eat some good old Popeyes today. I haven't had churches in a long time, but can't go wrong with that good old Popeyes, especially in Louisiana. I've got a low-key headache too. If my family's up to it, I'll let y'all meet them. It's my sister, Felicia. She may not want to be on camera though. So when I go over here to get the kids, and we probably sit down and eat this good old Popeyes chicken. See if they want to get on camera. Hey guys, y'all remember earlier today when I was complaining about storage outside? Well, this is the storage cabinet I kind of want, but I kind of want that long one that goes like long ways versus this one. But this is the one I wanted at first, but it was one that was real long, like this one right here. So like this one, let's see if I can make it bigger. Like this one. So I could put like my like storage in here, right? And then on the top I can make like where I keep my little fryer and all of it and plug it in. That's what I want right here. I think I'm gonna go with the longer one versus the taller one. This, oh my gosh, look at the price on it. But look how nice. Like all this for storage. And then the top part, like you can put stuff on like a little, I guess you're like your little outside kitchen area, like for storage like that, like a countertop. Yeah. I love this stuff. I even like the thought of having one of these storage bins for like my wig stuff. I just like things out of the way. Look at this one. Look at all that you can store. Then you know that metal is gonna last forever versus like wood or plastic. So I want to come back and show you guys what I meant from Sam's. All right, guys. So, you know, when you see me in this room, that means that we're about to wrap up the vlog for the night. I hope you guys enjoyed. Happy Vlogmas Day 16. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know a lot of my days are becoming repetitive, but guys, honestly, I really don't do a whole lot of nothing except go to work, come home and clean up, cook, whatever I got to do around here. And that's about the time I get done with all that, it's time for me to bath her up. Like right now, it's time for me to bath her up when we get ready for next week. So, I hope you guys have an awesome week. We're claiming productivity this week. Many blessings and lots of favor. So, big kisses, guys. Mwah. See you guys. Not next week. I'll see you guys tomorrow.